Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel Tecno F8. So in this video I'm going to guide you on how to bypass Tecno F8 Frpbypass. So first of all, you need the Wi-Fi, but don't connect too early. This is my Wi-Fi. So click on add new network, and then hold here, then settings, then languages, then disable this and enable another language like this one, and click back. Again, type here, then hold this, then click here choose keyboards, click dashboard and enable it, click back, click here again, hold here again, enable dashboard keyboard, then click here in the top right corner, and then click on themes. So go right here, then settings, then help and feedback, scroll down, head to update, then software update, click network settings. So now we can connect to the internet. Go to Wi-Fi and put in your password. So after connecting, click back and then scroll to apps, app management, then head to all, then scroll down to see Chrome browser. Here we are, click on it, scroll down, launch. So here we are going to download Quick Shortcut Maker. Download Quick Shortcut Maker. That here. Click on it. Download. Okay. Install. Accept. Open. So look for obey. Look for obey. Right here. Click on it. Try. Then select your country. So now we have successfully bypassed the Tecno. Let us see the model. It's now successfully unlocked. Tecno F8. Restart the device. So it's now successfully unlocked. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.